Guys, stop wasting time hunting for your old AI prompts. In just 5 minutes, we'll make a system that keeps them all in one place. I'm Daniel. Welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. Today, we're exploring Zite, an AI-powered platform that lets you build apps, databases, and workflows just by describing what you want. We'll create a simple, fully functional prompt library in just a few minutes with no coding required. Whether you're a creator managing ideas or a team wanting a better workflow, Zite makes it fast and easy. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Let's jump right in. Folks, Zite is a platform where prompting meets no-code development. You just explain what you want in plain English, and the AI builds it for you. It also comes with ready-made templates and supports team collaboration. There's no complex setup either. Everything starts with a simple chat-style window. You just describe the app you want, and that's it. Friends, I'll describe a prompt library app and say I need a database, basically a smart Excel-style table inside the app. It'll have fields for the title, the AI model, and tags. I'll also ask for a form to add new prompts and a gallery to browse them. This part really matters. The clearer we are now, the less fixing we'll have to do later. The beauty of Zite is that you're never in the dark. Everything you build is visual, clear, and easy to understand. We can add integrations right away too, things like Google Sheets, Airtable, OpenAI, Slack, and more. Next, guys, I'll pick GPT-5 and GPT-4o in the AI model selector. Connect the database and hit Build It. The tool immediately starts working and shows what it's doing. It sets up the database and creates a clean, user-friendly form. Let's quickly review what it suggests. The approach is solid. Foundation first, details second. Zite proposes a prompts table with ready-made fields. Title and content are simple text fields. AI model is a single select field, so you choose one option like ChatGPT or Claude. Tags are multi-select, so you can add things like work or creative, and created that tracks when each instruction was added. Folks, the AI nails the structure on the first try, so there's nothing we need to fix manually. I confirm the database, and it immediately gets to work. Less than a minute later, we already have a finished interface. Zite splits the screen into two parts, a form to add prompts on the left and a gallery on the right. It even auto-generates popular tags like coding and creative. Mates, let's try it out. I add my first instruction for Midjourney, fill in the title and text, and hit Save. Instantly the system updates. Everything works exactly as it should. Now check out this small but brilliant touch. A copy button on every card. One click and it is in your clipboard. All of this is stored neatly in the database we set up. And just like that, our prompt library is ready. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! We can also switch to the workflow view. This is where the real magic happens. It's basically the brain of the app. Zite automatically created 3 functions for us: get, create, and delete. Folks, let's take a quick look at how it all works. Here's the get prompts workflow. It starts with an input block, whatever the user types or selects in the filters. Next comes a branch, a simple decision point where the system checks what the user entered or selected. Based on that, the logic runs, and the database returns only the prompts that match. Friends, we didn't wire any of this by hand or write a single if-then rule. The AI built it automatically from our original request for a filtered gallery, saving hours of backend work. You can even switch to code view to see how it all works under the hood. At this point, the database is ready, the interface is set, and the logic is tested. All that's left is to put it live. In traditional development, this means servers, domains, and lots of setup. Here it takes about 2 seconds. We click Share, then Publish, and that's it. The app is live. All our data is safely stored in the database, and our saved prompts are right there. Folks, you can also control access, either restricting it to specific users or sharing it with anyone who has the link. From here you can keep expanding, add authentication, new tables, redesign the app, whatever you need. And that's the real power here. You can quickly build apps or dashboards like this that help you work faster, stay organized, and get more done. Alright folks, let's wrap this up. In just a few minutes, we built a full prompt library, complete with forms, a gallery, and automated workflows without touching a single line of code. Zite takes care of the back-end logic, so you can focus on creating and organizing your instructions. Whether you want to expand the system with new tables, add authentication, or redesign it, Zite makes it simple and flexible. And friends, unlike other AI builders, Zite shows you everything. Workflows, databases, and UI are all visual and fully editable. You can actually see and understand what's happening, so you're never stuck guessing or fixing code you didn't write. That's the real difference. If you're excited to try it out, or if you have already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. Until next time.